In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new custom fonts to Microsoft Word. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to an internet browser and then just navigate over to the website dafont.com. Once you're on this website, you'll have thousands of different free fonts that you can choose from. So simply look through this catalog and select the font that you want to download. Now, I like the look of this one here, so what I'm going to do is click on the download button next to it. And once this is downloaded, it should end up in your downloads folder over here. So what I'm going to do is just head over to the downloads folder on my computer, and you can see we now have this zip file. So go ahead and right click on your zip file and press extract all. Make sure you have show extracted files when complete. Make sure this is ticked and press extract. Once you've extracted these files, you'll then have your font file, which we just need to double click to open. And then in the top navigation, click on install. So wait a few seconds while that installs to your PC, and then you can head back over to Microsoft Word. So now the font's going to be ready to use. So all we need to do is select some text and come over to the font selection. And we're just going to search for that font that we just downloaded, which in my case was Alexandria Whitehouse, and press enter. And as you can see, we now have our new custom font in Microsoft Word. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.